Every year, millions of people unbox a small glass and metal rectangle without ever asking one question. Where did this come from? Not the box, not the factory, but the Earth itself. Today, we're going to trace the life of an iPhone 17 Pro, from raw minerals buried deep underground to one of the most advanced machines ever built by humans. This is the journey of the iPhone 17 Pro. Long before the iPhone has a name, before it has a design, it exists as raw essence inside the Earth. Lithium, cobalt, copper, gold, silicon, titanium. These are not tech materials. They are ancient elements formed billions of years ago. In Chile and Australia, lithium is extracted from salt flats. In Africa, cobalt is pulled from deep underground. Silicon is mined as quartz stone. Gold and copper are extracted in microscopic quantities, but they are priceless. At this stage, nothing looks like a phone, just rock, dust, heat, pressure. This is the beginning. Raw materials are useless without refinement. Silicon is heated until it melts, then purified until it becomes nearly perfect, 99.999999% pure. Lithium is chemically transformed into battery-grade compounds. Titanium is alloyed for strength and lightness. Rare earth elements are separated atom by atom. These materials are now clean, controlled, ready to become technology. The heart of the iPhone 17 Pro is its brain, the A-series chip, built not by Apple, but by one of the most advanced semiconductor factories on Earth. Pure silicon wafers are cut thinner than paper. Machines use extreme ultraviolet light to carve billions of transistors at near atomic scale. Each chip contains more computing power than entire supercomputers from the past. Only the best chips survive. The rest are discarded. The display is where humans and machines meet. Layer by layer, organic pixels are deposited onto glass. Every pixel is calibrated, every color measured. The camera system is even more precise. Sensors, lenses, stabilization motors, all aligned within microns. One tiny mistake and the entire module is rejected. Power is dangerous if uncontrolled. Inside the battery factory, lithium cells are built slowly, charged, discharged, aged, tested. Some batteries take days just to prove they're safe. Only the most stable cells earn a place inside the iPhone 17 Pro. Now, everything comes together. Inside a mega factory the size of a city, robots place components with superhuman precision. Humans inspect, guide, and correct. The logic board is installed, battery connected, cameras aligned, display sealed. Every movement is timed, every screw measured. Thousands of iPhones are born every hour. Hardware alone is not enough. Each iPhone is powered on for the first time. iOS is installed, sensors calibrated, cameras tuned with AI. At this moment, the phone receives something unique, a digital identity. No two iPhones are ever the same. Not every iPhone survives. Some fail drop tests, some fail heat tests, some fail water pressure. Only the strongest pass. Perfection is not optional. Cleaned, polished, protected. The iPhone is placed inside its box, sealed, labeled, logged. It travels across oceans, to stores, to homes, to your hands. The iPhone 17 Pro is not just a phone, it is the result of Earth, science, machines, and human precision, from ancient minerals to modern miracles, and now you know what's really inside your pocket.